In August 2023, Zimbabwe held elections that were anything but smooth. Observers from the SADC themselves acknowledged the elections fell short of constitutional benchmarks, but their reaction was, frankly, underwhelming. At the SADC summit in Luanda shortly after, instead of taking decisive action, leaders merely noted the issues. This isn't just about a bureaucratic hiccup, it's about a fundamental disregard for democratic values. The ruling party in Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF, has been accused of manipulating the electoral process to weaken the opposition, the Citizens' Coalition for Change. By influencing the judiciary and security forces, they've effectively hijacked the political landscape. Imagine, elected opposition members were expelled from the parliament by riot police based on claims from an imposter. And this scenario isn't just a one-off. It's part of a broader strategy to stifle dissent and maintain power at all costs. Now let's talk about the broader implications. Southern African leaders' reluctance to address Zimbabwe's crisis isn't just a local issue. It affects regional stability and dampens foreign investment enthusiasm. Yet, despite these stakes, there's a troubling lack of action. So why this inaction? Part of it is political inertia, a common enough tale in international politics. But it's also about not wanting to rock the boat. Engaging constructively with Zimbabwe, despite its flawed governance, seems to be the chosen path, likely due to geopolitical and economic considerations. This scenario isn't new. We've seen similar patterns in other global regions where economic and political interests trump the push for democracy and human rights. But the question remains, at what cost? How long can this go on before it leads to more severe consequences for the region? As political analysts and engaged citizens, it's crucial to keep a close eye on these developments. Understanding the dynamics at play helps us foresee potential outcomes and advocate for more robust and principled international policies. Thanks for tuning in, and let's continue this discussion. What do you think can be done to encourage more decisive action from regional blocs like SADC in supporting democracy? Drop your thoughts below, and let's get a conversation started.